Hey everyone, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another week of cards. So I asked you guys on YouTube what you would like to see this week, whether you wanted to see masculine, birthday, or thank you. And the majority of you said masculine, which is good because that's what I had planned for this week, but I thought, I'll ask what people want. So as you can probably hear, I'm a bit sick. So I'm going to do my best to make it through this video today and we'll see how we do. So I'm going to be using the celebration set, the Epic Celebrations. I'm going to be using the headphones, the Converse, and the Here's to an Epic Celebration. I'm going to be using two pieces from the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper. Both of these items are celebration items, which means you can earn them with a $50 purchase. So I have this stripe that has the stars, and then this one that has the bubbles. The stars measures 3 by 5 1/4, and the bubbles measures 4 by 5 1/4. Don't forget, you can head over to the blog, print the coordinating recipe that has the measurements on it. I have a basic black card layer that measured 4 1/4 by 11. I scored it at 5 1/2, and then I put in a Whisper White card layer that measures 4 by 5 1/4. So let's go ahead and adhere our Designer Series paper because I'm not going to be popping that up. So I think this will be a really great card for actually any guy or girl at that matter. These colors are really just bright and fun. Excuse me. So I started feeling kind of crummy on Friday. I started having a headache and it's just kind of morphed from there. So I'm actually filming this the day this is going to go live. I'm filming this Tuesday morning because I was hoping that I would feel better, and unfortunately that is not the case, but the show must go on, right guys? Okay, we're going to set that to the side. I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of Whisper White. And I have some Memento Tuxedo Black because I'm going to be coloring with the Bermuda Bay blends. The colors in this paper are Bermuda Bay and then Lemon Lime Twist, which go really well together with this black. Excuse me. So I am going to stamp the shoes, the Beats, headphones. I shouldn't call it Beats. Beats are not sponsoring this video, clearly. Clearly. And I'm going to punch these with a circle punch. So I'm going to try to... And hopefully I did an okay job. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. So last but not least is our sentiment. And none of these have crisp lines. Even the you can see there's some distressing in the sentiment. So that's that. I'm going to color. I'm not going to do any special blending or anything. I mean, I am going to try to add some dimension, but it's not going to be like a whole bunch of blending. So I'm going to start with my dark marker. Right, now I'm going to bring in some circle punches. This was the 1 3/4 inch. Let's see if the 1 1/2 inch will work. Perfect. So 1 1/2 on that one. Probably 1 1/4. On the sentiment, and then we'll do 1 1/2. I mean 1 3/4 on the shoes. So we'll need a 1 3/4 in black. 1 1/2 in black, and then 2 in black. All right, I'm going to adhere all of these together with dimensionals. All right, so let's get these adhered. Oops. All right, that's it for card 1. Really fun. And you could have totally used the lemon lime Stampin' Write marker and done the shoes and the headphones in lemon lime, but I really love Bermuda Bay, so that's what I did. So again, guys, everything will be listed down below. Thank you for bearing with me while I am getting over whatever I'm getting over. Hope you guys had a fantastic weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.